Today, Chi-Chi is checking her piggy bank as to how much money she has saved. That's when Choo-Choo comes there. He sees that Chi-Chi is finding it difficult to identify notes and coins. Today we will see how Choo-Choo helps Chi-Chi to identify notes and coins.
Hey Chi-Chi, why have you opened your piggy bank?
Choo-Choo, you know Mummy's birthday is coming. So I want to buy her some gift. So I want to see how much money I have saved in this piggy bank. But the problem is...
What happened? Why are you so upset?
Hey, I do not understand what notes and coins do I have in this piggy bank, you know.
Don't worry. I will help you to identify notes and coins.
Okay, Choo-Choo.
Chi-Chi, we use notes and coins to buy anything or goods. These notes and coins are different.
Choo-Choo, tell me the value of every note and coin that comes out of this piggy bank.
Look, the value of every note and coin is written on it. Look, there are 100 written on this note. So this is a 100-rupee note.
Okay, so 50 is written on this note. Then it must be a 50-rupee note, isn't it?
Well done, Chi-Chi. Now tell me, how much is the value of this note?
20 is written on this note, so it is a 20-rupee note.
Well done. Now tell me, how much is this?
10 is written on this note. So it is a 10-rupee note.
Well done, Chi-Chi. Come, do we know the value of these coins?
Are the value written on these coins too?
Yes, Chi-Chi. Like every note, the value of the coin is also written on them.
There are 5 written on this coin, so it is a 5-rupee coin, right?
Perfect, Chi-Chi. But look, there is a 5-rupee note too.
Yes, 5 is written on this note as well.
Look, Chi-Chi, 10 is written on this coin. So its value is 10 rupees.
Yes, this is a 10-rupee coin and this is a 10-rupee note.
Yes, you are right. Now tell me, what is the value of this coin?
There is 2 written on this note. So it is a 2-rupee coin.
Absolutely correct. Now tell me the value of this coin.
This coin has 1 written on it, so its value is 1 rupee.
Wow, perfect answer. Now look carefully. What are written on the coins of 1, 2, 5 and 10?
Hey, on this 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupees and 10 rupee coins, rupees are written.
Rightly said, Chi-Chi. Similarly, on every note also, there is a rupee or rupee sign like this.
Choo-Choo, we recognized all the notes and coins. But how many notes and coins are there in my piggy bank? It is still not known.
Hey, it is very easy to know. So, take out all the notes and coins from your piggy bank.
Here you are.
Friends, will Chi-Chi be able to give her mother a good gift on her birthday by mixing notes and coins from the piggy bank? Let's find out.
Look, you have so many notes and coins.
Yes, I have 2 5-rupee notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 10-rupee notes. 1, 2 and 3. 3 20-rupee notes. 2 50-rupee and 1, 2, 3. 300 rupee notes.
And how many coins?
There are 10 coins of 1 rupee, 6 of 2 rupees, 5 of 5 rupees, and 2 of 10 rupees. Hey, wow! I have a lot of notes and coins.
Yes. So Chi-Chi, now with this you can give your mother any gift of your choice on her birthday.
Thanks, Choo-Choo, for helping me out.
Yes, friends. Today we saw that Chi-Chi identified the value of notes and coins with the help of Choo-Choo. In the next video, we will learn how to get a total by adding different coins. Today, Choo-Choo has to buy a pen for himself. He asks for a 10 rupee loan from Chi-Chi. So Chi-Chi gives Choo-Choo different kinds of coins that will sum up as 10 rupees. So kids, today we will learn to make amount by adding different coins in this video. Chi-Chi, I want to buy a new pen. Can you lend me 10 rupees, please?
Yes, of course. Hey, but I don't have a 10 rupee note. How can I give you 10 rupees then?
Don't worry, Chi-Chi. Do you have coins?
Yes, I have many coins.
Hey, Chi-Chi, you can add different coins to make 10 rupees.
How's that?
Look, Chi-Chi, adding 2 coins of 5 rupees makes 10. So you can also give me 2 coins of 5.
Yes, adding 5 to 5 makes 10.
You are right, Chi-Chi. Give me 5 coins of 2 rupees.
Take this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 coins of 2 rupees.
Look, Chi-Chi, adding 2 to 2 makes 4. How much will you get by adding 2 to 4?
If we add 2 to 4, we will get 6.
Well done, Chi-Chi. 8 by adding 2 to 6.
10 by adding 2 to 8.
Yes, 5 coins of 2 rupees equals 10 rupees.
Yes. Can we make 10 rupees in any other way? Tell me.
Yes, you can make 10 rupees by adding a coin of 5 rupees, 2 rupees coin and 1 rupee coin.
Yes. If we add 5 and 2, it is 7. 7 by adding 2 will become 9. And 9 by adding 1 to it makes 10.
Even if you add 10 coins of 1 rupee, that will make 10 rupees too.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
So Chi-Chi, you can make 10 rupees by adding different coins.
Yes, Choo-Choo. And here is for your new pen, 5 coins of 2 rupees, that is 10 rupees.
Thanks, Chi-Chi.
Today Chi-Chi has learned to make an amount by adding various coins with the help of Choo-Choo. So kids, today we learned to make some amount by adding different coins. In the next video, we will learn to make an amount by adding notes and coins. Today Chi-Chi went to the market with Choo-Choo to buy a gift for her mother. Today we will see in this video that Chi-Chi learns how to make an amount by adding various notes and coins. Chi-Chi, what pastry do you want to buy?
I want to have this pastry.
Brother, what is the cost of this pastry? This pastry is of 45 rupees, okay? Chi-Chi, for 45 rupees, give 4 notes of 10 and 1 note of 5.
Yes, I will give. Hey, I only have 3 notes of 10.
Okay, so give 3 notes of 10 and 2 notes of 5.
Here you go.
Look, Chi-Chi, adding 2 notes of 10 makes 20. Adding 10 to 20 makes 30. And 10 rupees by adding 2 notes of 5.
Yes, 40 rupees on adding 30 and 10. But this pastry is worth 45 rupees.
Yes, Chi-Chi, we have to add 5 rupees to this 40 rupees.
But I had only 2 notes of 5 rupees.
Chi-Chi, you have coins, right?
Hey, yes. Take a coin of 5.
Yes, so now 40 and 5 makes 45 rupees. Take this, brother, 45 rupees. Here is your pastry. Thank you.
So children, you saw how we made 45 rupees in 2 different ways? You can also think of other ways. So, let's see what Chi-Chi is doing next.
Choo-choo, I have to buy a purse for mummy too.
Yes, so let's go to the purse shop. Chi-Chi, which purse did you choose for your mother?
Choo-choo, I like this purse for her.
Excuse me, how much does this purse cost? The price of this purse is 50 rupees.
Choo-choo, how many notes and coins do I have to give?
You have to give a 50 rupee note.
Hey, but I did not bring 50 rupee note.
Don't worry. Do you have 2 notes of 20 and 1 note of rupees 10?
I have 2 notes of 20, but no 10 rupees note.
Never mind. Give 2 coins of 5.
I have only 1 coin of 5.
So look, 40 rupees made by adding 2 notes of 20 and adding a coin of 5 makes 45 rupees. And to make 5 rupees, you have coins of 1.
Yes, I have lots of 1 rupee coins.
Okay, so give me 5 coins of 1 rupee. There are 5 coins of 1 rupee and it will make 5 rupees.
Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are 5 coins of 1 rupee.
Chi-Chi, look, adding 5 rupees to 45 makes 50 rupees.
Oh wow! Please take this 50 rupees for the purse.
Thank you. Chi-Chi, let's go home now.
Yes, let's go.
So kids, you saw that you can pay 50 rupees by adding a note of 50 or 2 notes of 20, a coin of 5 and 5 coins of 1 rupee. You can also make 50 rupees from different notes and coins. Today, Chi-Chi bought a purse and a pastry for her mother. So today we learned to make amount by adding various notes and coins.